Hey guys, welcome back to Richo's Customs, and today we'll be changing the diff ratio in Naughty the burnout car. So let's get into it. So here's the diff that has been pulled out of another AU just down the paddock, and what we'll do is drain the oil, pop this back cover off, put all the old gears, chuck them out, put the new 3.73 gears in here, weld it, and we'll put it in at the AU. So I'll get started and drain the oil.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on
So now I've got the diff out and it's nice and clean. I'll start dismantling all the gears and all that. So bearing caps off, big gear, got to take the that out. So yeah, we'll get onto that. By doing that, it means I'll be able to get a hammer on the other side to pull the axle out. So once you've put your 3.73 gears onto the center, I'm gonna have to work out how I'm gonna get that bearing off the original one onto the new one. I may have to take it into a shop to get that rebuilt and put the bearing on that side so I can put it back in. But other than that, all the axles look very good, and down there is all nice and clean. I'll give it a nice clean up. But yeah, all that's done, so next thing is just work out what I'm doing with that, and should be good. So there's the brake calipers, the bare diff, new gears, handbrake, tools, rotors, axles, and all the parts down there. So that's the end of part 1 of the diff rebuild for Naughty. I'll have to come back for another part 2, as I'll have to get a bearing press onto the pinion gear. So no more progress on the diff for today, and we'll come back for part 2 where we will start rebuilding the diff and putting everything back together. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2 for the rebuild. Cheers.